Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of messenger offline on the application of Messenger. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Messenger. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.